China's bomber drone is threatening Taiwan and Japan. The Taiwan TB001 doesn't look like a drone. It's a huge and heavy, twin-tailed aircraft. In fact, it's been nicknamed the twin-tailed Scorpion, but it's an unmanned, medium-altitude aerial vehicle. It has a range of 3,700 miles. It's got 4 hard points and a maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 pounds. Here's what we know about the Scorpion. The TB001 is Taiwan's flagship aircraft. Its twin-boom design is reminiscent of a World War II era P-38 Lightning fighter. The drone is powered by 2 turbocharged piston engines. Each drives a 3-bladed propeller. They are mounted on either side of the fuselage. Above is a straight high-mounted wing. The Scorpion's reported endurance is an impressive 35 hours. It's not clear how it is controlled, but it probably has a satellite data link. This means it can be guided from any distance. The TB001 is primarily a reconnaissance aircraft, but also a bomber. Obviously, China hasn't released any details. But in August 2021, 2 Scorpions were intercepted by Japanese fighters. They were flying sorties over the East China Sea. The drones had plenty of antennas and external sensors. They provide China with an ability to collect multiple types of intelligence. For example, the drones can map and catalog electronic emissions in the area. These emissions are used to detect air defense systems. The drones can take detailed radar maps of the area. The Miyako Strait, where they were spotted, has strategic importance, and they've also been spotted around Taiwan. None of the Scorpions spotted were armed, but they can carry both missiles and precision-guided bombs. The TB001 can be armed with a 550-pound laser-guided bomb. It can also carry an FT-7 glide bomb or an FT-9 guided bomb. The drone can be armed with AR-4 air-to-surface missiles. Other options include AR-3 cruise missiles and FT-8D, FT-10 air-to-surface missiles. Of course, China calls it defense capabilities. And in fact, the missiles are by necessity rather small. The Scorpion has no stealth capabilities. It also has a very heavy payload for a UCAV, so it can safely recon, track, and attack targets in contested environments. Any potential combat deployment would involve Protector aircraft, but its electro-optical tracking system is reportedly quite advanced. In tandem with friendly stealth drones and fighter jets, it could be used as a bomber. The Scorpion's heavy payload capacity is crucial. It may allow ground assets to be lightly armed and mobile. Of course, the drone could simply be used for extra firepower. AR-3 missiles can destroy light vehicles and personnel. These are lightweight, 44-pound cruise missiles, but the AR-4 weighs 175 pounds. It can be used against heavy armored targets and fortifications. It has a claimed range of 12 miles, so Scorpions will most likely be used in an invasion of Taiwan. In October 2022, Taiwan unveiled the Scorpion D. It's a 4-engine cargo drone with a 1.5-ton payload capacity. Scorpion D's maximum takeoff weight is 4.35 tons. A fleet of different Scorpions would certainly present a threat.